Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing palm nut paste or fresh nuts and why. Paste saves time, fresh gives brighter flavor. Heat oil, sauté onions and peppers to release sugars. Once they're soft, add your toasted ground palm nuts or 1 cup of paste so the fat blooms and thickens the base. Stir constantly to prevent sticking. This step builds the soup's body and mouthfeel, so take your time and adjust heat to avoid burning. Once done with the base, pour 1.5–2 liters of hot stock gradually while whisking so the palm fat emulsifies into a smooth soup. This creates a silky texture. Add your protein, fish or meat, and lower to a steady simmer to infuse flavors over 20–30 minutes. Make sure to skim excess oil occasionally. Add hearty vegetables near the end so they stay firm, and taste to balance salt and acidity before serving. You finish by stirring in chopped greens and a splash of lime or a few diced tomatoes to brighten the rich palm oil base. This contrast lifts the soup. Simmer 5 more minutes so flavors marry and the oil may separate slightly, signaling readiness. If the soup is too thick, add hot stock a little at a time. If it tastes bitter, balance with a pinch of sugar or more acid. Remember, adjust seasoning last and serve hot with starch or rice.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.